Ever logged into Kraken only to see that dreaded message, account locked? The panic is real. Your crypto holdings are right there, but suddenly, they're behind a digital wall you can't climb. It's a frustrating moment, but here's the good news: account locks are almost always a security measure. Kraken is one of the most security-conscious exchanges, and they lock accounts for a handful of understandable reasons, all designed to protect your funds. So, what triggers it? Common culprits include multiple failed login attempts, unusual sign-in activity from a new location, security or fraud flags, or sometimes a compliance issue like an expiring identity document or a required KYC review. Whatever the reason, the key is to take a deep breath and follow a specific, 4-step process. Don't panic and start furiously clicking. Step 1. Check your email immediately. This is your most important first step. Kraken almost always sends an email explaining why your account was locked. It could be a simple, temporary measure like an alert for a sign-in from a new device, which you might just need to approve via email. The message will contain a link or specific instructions you need to follow. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Identify the cause and troubleshoot. If the email points to a specific issue, address it directly. If it's a login issue, you've forgotten your password or lost your 2FA device, use the forgot password or lost 2FA links on the sign-in page. Kraken has detailed, guided recovery processes for these, which often involve an ID verification or a video call to prove you are the account owner. If the lock is due to an expired ID or a compliance review, you'll need to upload the requested documents or complete the new verification steps. Step 3. The critical step. Contact official support. If you can't resolve it through the automated or guided recovery steps, you need to engage Kraken support directly. Do not search for random phone numbers or support sites, always go through the official Kraken support center. They have a dedicated form, often called the Sign-in Troubleshooting and Account Security form. Fill it out accurately and comprehensively. Provide as much detail as possible, your account details, the time of the lock, and any specific error messages you received. Submitting a detailed ticket is the fastest way to get your case assigned to a specialist. Step 4. Be patient and responsive. Account security issues require manual review, which takes time. It might be 24 hours, or in complex cases, up to a few days. During this time, monitor your email constantly, including your spam folder, for a response from the support team. Be ready to provide any further identification or explanation they request. The faster you respond, the faster the resolution will be. Finally, once you're back in, make your account future-proof, enable a master key, update your two-factor authentication to a highly secure method like a hardware key, and activate the global settings lock. These measures can prevent an unauthorized person from locking you out and give you a secure way back in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.